What advice would you give to someone who dreams of becoming a documentary photographer?
Don't dream, do.
Okay.
And I guess you could dream. I never dreamed to be a photographer.
Let me
Never.
rephrase that. Remember, this is my second language.
No, I'm sorry. That's okay.
No. What I mean is, of course, like if I want to become a photographer, I mean, not me, somebody wants to pursue that career, what tips would you give them in order to be successful based on your experience? So they become interns at a place that they want to work at, or what would you say it's important?
Them to scrub this video back to the beginning and listen to everything that I can't exactly remember what I shared, but I can feel what I shared, and it's all right there. In its simplicity.
I agree with you, and then they need to like and comment, right? You forgot to say
well,
that.
That's up to you. That's another, that's the tangible, intangible of this beautiful thing called YouTube and
I'm just kidding.
Streaming video. Really, it's the same thing what we've been talking about. It's curiosity, it's fascination, it's the I don't know, it's be a child of absolute wonder in everything, and find your voice, find your fingerprint. Then, learn some business smarts. Maybe that's sort of the crux of a lot of people. But having the confidence, and you get confidence. Confidence is a big part of it too. The confidence will come to you when you are so giving of everything that's around you, and this passion and love that you have of doing the dishes, in my case by hand, or doing this simple act but very powerful possibilities of being a photographer, and not getting muddled in all of the technical nonsense. I don't know anything technical, Kike, nothing. I know what I need to know,